Givy loves winter, while I have mixed feelings about it. I dread every time winter is on its way, but as soon as it's here, I always wish that I can go as farthest north as I can and live in a winter wonderland. But right now, we have a van to finish, so welcome to episode 10. Today, in this video, we're going to show you how we built our upper cabinets. Building cabinets this weekend, and this is what it looks. This is the reality of not having a workspace. So we are just working inside the van, and we've finished so far the hanging closet, the walk-in closet, and then that's the cabinet behind the driver's seat. So that's where we're going to have our control panels. Luckily, we found a Rona who would do the cuts for us. So what happened was we had pieces pre-cut. There was a blog post that I saw that we followed the measurements, but it turned out that when we brought them home and put them together, it was, so if it sits like this,
3 inches.
Yeah, so the pieces were too wide, right? So then you're gonna have just a little opening. We didn't like it, so we ended up buying a Craig. Is it a Craig?
Grip cut. Craig.
Yeah, it's a Craig grip cut.
Yeah.
That you use because we don't have a table saw.
Yeah.
So we use a Craig grip cut to make this straight cuts. We initially used jigsaw, but
it doesn't work.
No, it doesn't work. No matter what you do, it gets crooked. So we're gonna put this together and we will show you how it looks after. Okay, so we're gonna show you how we're gonna use this rip cut.
We need that as to balance.
Okay.
This one needs to sit.
Yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Good.
Yeah. I mentioned earlier that we had our pieces pre-cut at the hardware store, but when we got home and put them together, the pieces that we used for the frame of the cabinets were too wide. We then had to strip it down from 3 inches to 2 inch wide. Otherwise, this step could have saved us some time. And once that's done, the final step of the process was to add pocket holes. So now, we now have that one, so it's time to assemble the frame. That is it for now for this cabinet build. Leave us a comment if you have tips, suggestions, or questions. Hope to see you in the next one.